Hello, good evening everyone. Today I am going to teach you Qtp for beginners. So I have started so many tutorials previously and regarding Qtp web services testing and how you will create keyword driven framework in Qtp. Like these videos I have provided. So today we are going to learn QTP from scratch. Okay, let's see. Introduction to QTP or UFT. Presently, most of the testers are using UFT, Unified Functional Testing. So current version is 12.05. I'm using. Okay, so let's start. In this session, I'm going to cover QTP introduction, advantage of automation testing, tool evaluation, and automation testing process we'll see in coming sessions. Okay, actually what is a QTP and our UFT? Presently it is calling as UFT, Unified Functional Testing. QTP is a automation testing tool which is developed by Mercury Interactive Corporation. So this Mercury Interactive is occurred by Hewlett Packard HP, which is acquired. QTB is acquired from Mercury Interactive company, and it is a commercial product, so which is not a open source. You need to buy the QTP license. Okay, this is a functional testing tool and used for regression testing. So most of the users are testers using for regression testing. So that is we are doing automation testing without the use of manual testing. Okay. So actually it is having different versions. So first of all the version is released, that is a 5.5, which is in 2001, and up to from 5.5 it is releasing to 12.50 right presently. So in that between how many releases? Around 13 14 releases from 2001 to 2002 2003, and 7.0 is not released, and 2004 2005 up to 2010 11 12 13 I think. Okay, and coming to automation testing introduction. Okay, so QTP or UFT supports different platforms like Java language, .NET, Windows, ActiveX, Java, and PeopleSoft, Oracle applications, CBL, mainframe also. Okay, SAP also it will support. So it is having very huge advantage and very high growth in the market. Okay, and let's see. So that is the introduction, normal introduction about the QTP or UFT. Okay, it is used for mobile web applications. You can test web applications. Okay, desktop applications, mobile applications also you will test. Sorry. So automation advantage. So why we are going for automation testing? Why not we go for manual testing? Okay, what is the advantage manual testing and what is the demerits of manual testing? In manual testing, resources are more resources required, so compared to automation testing, and it will take time. Okay, so in order to execute repeatable actions, it will take time in manual testing. Resources are more, they will take time, and it will require more resources, and budget also high. So if you are using manual testing for 4%, for manual testing or 3%, so you can go for one automation tester. With one automation tester you can automate the applications. So if it is build should be stable, then only you can automate the applications. Without build stable, you cannot automate the application. Whether it is a web application and a desktop application and a mobile applications or software cloud or anything, it should be automate before build should be stable, then only you can automate. So what is automation testing? Automation testing is nothing but the just you are using testing instead of manual testing. You are using testing with the help of tools. With the help of tools you are doing testing, that is automation. Without interruption of, without need of human interaction, you are doing testing with automation with tool, that is automation testing. Formally we can call as automating the manual testing process with the help of automation tool, that is automation testing. So what is the merits? Code reusability. You can use the code number of times. You can have a good quality. Why? Because build is already stable. You can go for regression testing, positive plus negative scenario. Easily you can write the script and execute. And it will take time, very less time. For scripting it will take, for execution it will take very less time. So can perform repeatable action. You can perform repeatable action means data driven testing. So in order to execute data driven testing, suppose I have a 10 or 12 or 15 or 20, around take the 20 records in test data, which how much time it will take for QTP to execute, automation tool to execute. It will around 5 to 10 minutes. Coming to manual testing, how much time it will take? You know, to take the test data, copy, open the URL, paste and click on submit. Then it will show message and validate whether it is coming right or wrong. So it will take some time, right? So then instead of doing manual testing, so you can go for automation testing. After manual testing only you can go for automation testing. Instead of doing repeatable actions in manual testing, we can go for automated testing. Once it is click and run, then it will run script automatically. Within 15 or 20 minutes you can complete the regression testing. So delivery is very fast. Regression testing is very fast. You can do regression testing within a half an hour or 1 hour. Instead of doing 8 hours per day, you can do regression testing within 1 hour 2 hours after preparing a test script. So here in automation QTP we are using VB script, which is a Microsoft developed language. It is very easy to learn VB script. So let's see automation tool evaluation. See, suppose I'm working in company, so which is evaluating the tool. Suppose most of the developers, Java developers, they are saying that you can go for Selenium, you can go for Bad Boy. So because they can suggest this type of tools, you can go. Why? Because they know Java, core Java, everything. They have a perfect knowledge on Java. So they are basically means give you idea about the tools which is having available in market. We think that okay, I can learn this one, I can learn this one, but so before learning you need to evaluate the tools, that is the tools which is suitable for our web applications, then only we can finalize the tools. So I have given some features, so some of them are easy to use. Tool should be easy to use. Okay, UI part should be very useful. By saying you should understand what is this one, what is it, like Excel, Word, documents, or like anything. If I okay, and easy to scripting should be easy. So if you are a non-technical person, you are a tester, if you are going for Java, it will take some time to learn Java and core Java, understand the objects. So like this, if anyone is interested in coding, then it is okay. But if anyone, most of the people are interested in testing, then they can go for this type of features. Then it is very useful for evaluating the automation tool, which is very useful in automating the web applications. So here third one is a web application support. Web application should be support in entire environment, not in single two-tier environment. It should be automate, should be support entire environment, that is a web applications or desktop applications. Selenium not support desktop applications, okay, it is support web applications only. So multiple browser support, you can run the script within multiple browser support like this. So functional testing, it is easy, very easy. You can go for UFT or QTP functional testing is very easy. You can do web services REST. In Selenium, you can't do web services REST. In web services, QTP in web service, you need just to import the WSDL, and REST services same like that, import and it will automatically give you the input and output value. In Selenium, it will not give. You need to write the code, everything like that. So those features should be mapped with. You need to take 2 or 3 tools, then only you can evaluate the perfect tool which is useful for our application. So object repository, it is very easy. Just go for object repository, click on application or page, it will automatically fetch all the object from the page, whatever the page you want to. Test suite creation, it is very useful in QTP. Test suite creation, you can create test suite with the folders, using folder structures or recording and playback like that. So why we are going for record the script and play recorded. So you do, first of all you don't know the scripting part, okay, tool what it will do. Then you can go for just click on record and do for some actions on web application. Then it will create the script, browser, page, web element, and web edit, link, click, set, select, like this. So by seeing the script, you need to understand the script very easily. Okay, this application record the script in this way. It is very easy, very useful, very UI is very good, and you need to understand by seeing the recorded script. You can understand that okay, it is very, I can do this one. So which is supporting very good, and performance should be very high. Performance should be very high. So learn with recording easily. Suppose in my company, one suppose taking the example, in companies one user join, which is a fresher. We are taking freshers from companies most of the times, from companies, recruiting companies on campus, like that. So they can easily understand by recording the script. Tool will be evaluated in that way. Then only you will get interest, and you can generate the code script wherever you will require. Then only you can prepare the framework, understand the framework, which framework we need to use, like that. You will get every idea about the tool by evaluation, which here by evaluating we are giving ratings for tool. For to be 10, Selenium 8, bad boy 7. So like that you can use, send this total evaluation features to the manager, project manager, or product manager in agile methodologies. He can evaluate this is the happening, this tool is give you very good support for application. We can automate very easily, scripting is very easy, record we can do. So like this everything should be covered in the evaluation tool. Then only you can give feedback to your product manager, project manager, test lead, or anyone. Okay, so this is a small introduction about the QTP. Okay, very useful. See, introduction is very Mercury Interactive 2001 advantage, like this code usability, automation tool evaluation. You can search for different features. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, you can share, provide suggestions, likes, comments, anything. So we will see automation testing process in this next session, which is very important in automation testing process. Without process you can't do automate, you can't create framework also. So let's see in the next process, next sessions. Thank you.